This is a suggested video. Someone requested it. I know there are plenty of deck building videos out there, but I'm going to try and do this one in less than 3 minutes. So let's go. Okay, here we have a deck, 2x6 planks, 8 foot by 8 foot with 4 concrete footings, and it is centered in the doorway. So you can center it in an opening. That's always nice to do. Move it over, but I'll leave that up to you. And then we have a 1 foot by 1 foot footing. This would be 1 foot wide in both directions, 1 foot deep. That's usually a common footing. You can make them a little smaller if you want. And we will form them all the way up, fill them with concrete, make sure that we have our standoff plate there, something to keep it off the concrete. Get rid of the forms after it dries. That was fast. Install our beams. And then our joists, and you can block this. I'm making this simple. I'm trying to make a simple video. If you don't block them, I've seen plenty of decks without blocks. It's not going to be a big deal. I've actually seen people just put a couple of blocks in the deck. So put one here, and one at the ends, kind of something like that to stabilize the deck. But after you nail the planking on, you should be pretty good. Wow, the planking's already nailed on. So hopefully I'm not too far into it here. And this is whatever planking you would choose. And let's go ahead, and if you are going to build a deck with this method here, you do not need to attach it to the building, which makes it a good thing. A lot of people put a ledger at the end here to save the work of putting a footing and a beam in here, and that's fine, but then you penetrate the building and you create a water leak problem or potential water leak. And again, here's an example of the beam with a standoff plate. They're usually 1 inch tall, but even if it was a 1/2 inch, that's fine. You could look underneath it and make sure no debris was collecting under there. And that is it for the video. I hope I got everything in the time frame, and it is off to the next video.